How's it going, guys? I'm Root. I show you how to make Windows 11 faster. If you're looking for speed up Windows 11, step number 1, edit power plan. Go to control panel, open it. Now find power options, click it. Change power plan high performance. Click change plan settings. Next click change advanced power settings. Find processor power management. Click minimum processor state. Change settings 0%. Next click maximum processor state. Change settings 100%. Next apply your settings. Save changes, click it. Step number 2, do clean boot and CPU speed just double. Go to Windows search typing system configuration. Go to services settings, click all disabled button. Tip hide all Microsoft services. Next find boot settings, click advanced options. Tip button number of processors, change settings number 4. Next apply your settings. Restart your PC. Step number 3, disable 3 unwanted background services. Open Task Manager. Go to Services tab, open Services, click. Find Main Services. Right-click, go to Properties. Click button Services, running stop and disable service. Next find Windows Search Services. Right-click, go to Properties. Click button Services, running stop and disable service. Find Windows Biometric Services. Right-click, go to Properties. Click button Services, running stop and disable service. Right now next process is going. Step number 4, Windows Startup runner gaps disabled. Open Task Manager. Go to Start tab. Right-click disabled unwanted application on it. Step number 5, optimize drives. Go to Windows search typing defragment and optimize drives. Click optimize button. Right now next process is going. Step number 6, optimize Windows 11 pack. Very important, you need to download this optimization folder from the description. This is just registry optimization, so this is going to be game changing for your system. So you need to just open these things, CPU optimization folder. It's all about humanity. Just double click on it and click yes. Okay, so you need to follow same steps for all files. If you want to disable Cortana, then you can just run this disable Cortana. Step number 7. Clean C drive of Windows 11. Click this PC, right-click C drive, go Properties. Next click Discleaner. Select all files, next click button Clean up System File. Again select all files and click the OK button. Next click Delete File button. Step number 8. Clean different types of cache data. Go to Windows, search, typing, run, open it. Next typing temp and click OK button. Select all file, delete cache data. Go to again, run typing %10%. Select all file, delete cache data. Next typing, click fetch. Select all file, delete cache data. Right now next process is going. Step number 9. Reduce visual effects. In this step, we are doing something really crazy to get the maximum performance from your computer. Only follow this if you need the extreme level of performance that your Windows 11 can ever offer you. And we are achieving this performance boost by reducing the visual effects. And your Windows 11 UI graphics may result better performance, but you might find your Windows 11 interface less graphically attractive than before. And please note, it will not affect your gaming graphics and program graphics quality. If you don't mind, then I suggest you have tried. Because if you didn't like it, you can always set everything back to default by applying the same things in reverse order. So let's start. First you need to go to the Start menu and search this PC. Now right click on it, choose Properties, and you will get here. Now click on Advanced System Settings, hyperlink, and you will see this little window. Now on the Advanced tab you will find the Performance Settings. Click it. You will see another window with all these options. So go ahead and uncheck every option other than your preference. I'm going to leave the option Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts and Show Shadows under Mouse Pointer untouched. If you have a personal preference like this, I suggest you leave that untouched and uncheck all the other options. And once you have done with that, you can click on Apply. Step number 10. Double your RAM speed/performance. Right click on Start and open System. Check your RAM size that installed on your system. Open Advanced System Settings under Advanced tab, click on Settings button present in Performance section. Open Advanced tab and click on Change button under Virtual Memory Session. Select the option called Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Click on Custom Size option. Open Calculator app to calculate the initial and maximum size for the paging file. Enter your RAM size and multiply with 1024. For example, my system has 16 GB of RAM. So 16 into 1024 and again multiply the total MB value with 1.5, because the maximum virtual RAM paging file is 1.5 times more than physical RAM. Enter the final result value in initial and maximum size boxes and click OK. The system now asks to restart. Click OK. Done. Now system doubles RAM size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe and comment and share it.